A first aid kit versus a trauma kit. What's the difference? They might seem similar at first glance, but they serve very different purposes. A first aid kit is designed for minor injuries. Think cuts, scrapes, and burns. It typically includes adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, and gauze, perfect for everyday mishaps. On the other hand, a trauma kit is built for serious emergencies. We're talking about life-threatening situations like severe bleeding or major injuries. These kits often contain items such as tourniquets, hemostatic agents, and larger dressings. They're essential for anyone who might find themselves in a critical situation. So while a first aid kit is your go-to for everyday injuries, a trauma kit is your lifeline in a crisis. Knowing the difference could make all the difference when it counts.